So in this video, I want to explain to you in this video, if you've confirmed your email account, then you want to log in. So I'm going to log in to my newly created account. Yeah. So if you're logging in for the first time, this is what your dashboard is, and I will be explaining more about your dashboard to you now. So if you don't know what this page is about, I'm going to explain everything that is here to you and what you use them for. So we'll start with this link right here. You can see subparty.com referral is called Scholar One. This is my referral link. Anybody that I share this link with, if you click on this copy, it will automatically copy it, and you can paste it anywhere. If I click here now, I can paste it here. You can see, so you can just, the moment you click on this place as copy, you can share it in your Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. Anybody that registered to subparty through your link, when they deposit, you make your money 2% straight. That's it. Then if you want to fund your wallet, you click on this fund wallet. You have made a video on explaining how this thing works, so you can check the video on fund wallet. So fund wallet is just for if you want to add money to your account. So the first thing you want to do, if you want to make use of subparty as for business, you want to read this FAQ regards agent user. This one here, this one, the second one, the second button, FAQ regards agent user. You want to read this to know more about what it takes to be our agent and what are the benefits. All right. But if you don't want to use subparty for agents, maybe you want to use it for your personal self. All right, you can read FAQ regards affiliate user. This affiliate user is for people that use subparty for themselves, but they also recharge for their families and friends as well. So they used to recharge or use subparty a lot, almost every day or every week. So you can make benefits of this affiliate package. All right, a smart earner is a normal user earner, and these are for people that only use subparty for their self alone. All right, so when you scroll down here, you see this Wema Bank and Rolex Bank. Into this, you see there's account number, then the account name, then the bank. So if you want to deposit money to your account, you can just click on this, copy this account number, then transfer money to this Wema Bank account number. This account number is for you alone. It's your private account number. Any money that enters this account number will show in your profile. So you can even share it to your customer to pay for you. Then when they pay for you, you see it, then you can make process payments for them. So any money that I send to this account number will automatically come into your wallet. You will see it inside your wallet, but automatically. We don't control it, it's automated. All right. So any money that comes in here is automated. We explain more on that. You need to watch the fund wallet video to get more about that. But and you can transfer to this account and then it will reflect on your wallet. So if you want to be our affiliate user, click on this upgrade to affiliate button. If you want to be our agent, click on this upgrade to agent button. But make sure that you have read the FAQ regards agent user before you upgrade to any of these accounts. All right. So any wallet, any money that enters the account, you see it here. If you refer people and they make money, their percent, the percent that you earn, you will see that one here, and the number of people that you've referred, you see it here. So if for any reason, if we have any notification that we want to share with all the users, you will see them under notifications. So if you are still confused, you can go through this FAQ. All right, I'm going to do that right now. If you want to chat us on WhatsApp, you can click on this chat WhatsApp us button. But if you have any issue, I would really advise you to always use this. If you see this button down this screen, that has one on top of it. This purple button is for you to chat with our customer representative. They are always online every time. If you click on it, you just put in your name, your phone number, your email, then ask your questions. We are always online. All right, when you send any message, we'll reply you almost instantly. And if for any reason you can't reply you and you have logged out of your account, we will always send you a message or even reply you by email to whatever question that you asked. All right, so you are in safe hands, you have no problem. So if you want to sell airtime to your customers, click on this one, this airtime top up. If you want to buy data for them, click on buy data. If you want to convert airtime to cash, click on this airtime to cash, airtime swap. If you want to pay for NEPA bill, click on electricity bills. If you want to pay for DSTV, GoTV and StarTimes, click on it. If you want to send SMS, click on this. If you want to get EP pins for WAEC and NECO, click on resource checker. If you want to print your own airtime, click on recharge card printing. Then if you want to see the number of people that you've referred, click on this my referrals. Then there's also these three slides on top right here. This yeah. You see these three stripes. When you click on that, you will see you can just click on that to quickly go to click on buy data, buy airtime, utility payments. You can see bills payment. This bills payment is for never bill. This cable is for DSTV, Go TV, and start times. And then you can also fund your wallet from this place as well, or check the price. Click on this pricing to check the price. All right, you can see all the prices of our services, all the prices, all of them. All right, so if you don't know the price of one something, or the price of one data or airtime, NECO bills, all our cards, all right, if you are confused about the price, anytime, just come, click on this, click on pricing, and then you see the price that we have for each of them. Then you can add your money to those prices to make your own profit as well. All right.